Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Voicemeeter banana delay. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your sample rates is the same for all of your output devices. So in my case I'm using only one output device. What you want to do is to head over to your control panel. So right click on your Windows logo right here. And simply inside you then want to select the system settings. From here, you just want to search for sound. And then you want to scroll down and click on the more sound setting. Inside this page, you want to look for the out or the playback for Voicemeeter. So in my case, I'm using my main speaker right here. As you can see, it has the check marks. Right click on your speaker. Click on properties, and you want to make sure that you're using the 4800 Hertz. This will provide us with the best results. You could do the same thing for the recording one, but in our case, to proceed, let's then head back to Voicemeeter. From here, click menu, click system settings, and then we can see the main device output is going to be 4800 Hertz, which is going to be right according to our control panel. Now, below the setting, you also have the preferred main sample rate. Sometimes this is set into something like 44/100. You want to make sure to select the right one according to the control panel and the setting right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.